बहुत गंदी बत्ती है।
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna.
जब दुनिया सो जाती है ना तब एक्सप्लोर करने में अलग मजा है भाई। और खासकर जैसे मेरी तो ये एक्सप्लोरेशन की एक्चुअल ट्रिप शुरू हुई थी बॉम्बे में। उससे पहले तो क्या साल 1.5 साल में चले गए, समझ रहे हैं। बॉम्बे में हम थे आजाद पंछी। फ्लैट पे एक गाड़ी थी, निकलने वाले को घूमने का शौक था फ्लैटमेट्स को। अंकित तन्मय भी ऐसे ही थे कि भाई ले चलो
इनके साथ तो वैसे अलग ही बन जाते हैं।
हाँ। तो बहन चो बॉम्बे में ना तब मैंने एक्सप्लोरिंग तभी करी। एक तो बॉम्बे बसड़ बहुत है, तो वहाँ एक्सप्लोर तभी कर सकते हैं जब बंदे सो जाए। समझ रहे हैं। अब जैसे हम सनराइज तहरी पहुंच रहे हैं ना, मैं ओशन के किनारे गाड़ी ले गया था सुबह 4 बजे और ओशन था काशिद। बॉम्बे ओशन नहीं, व्हाइट सैंड बीच ओशन और अनटैप्ड, मतलब
जा सकती है।
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं है अबे वो हम सुबह सुबह ले गए ना, कोई था नहीं। तो कोई पार्किंग आई है ना साइड में थोड़ी सी, समझ रहे, वहाँ रोक लीजिए। रात को बहन जो किसी का कुछ नहीं पता भाई, ये ट्रक वाला बहन जो पी के चला रहा है, चलो जी हम भी इसके साथ ही जा रहे हैं अनविलिंगली, समझ रहा है।
कैरिड अवे।
हाँ, मैं माली के गाँव गया था, वहाँ सुबह 10 बजे तक तो हगने का प्रोग्राम था। क्यों सुबह 6 बजे चले गए और 1.5 घंटे दूर चल के तो हगने गए। वहाँ हगे आधे घंटे ये किया, बकचोदी करी, 1.5 घंटे चल के आए भाई, 9 बज गए, वार हो गई, समझ रहे। नगर पालिका परिषद रेती गढ़वाल ब्रैकेट में तहरी गढ़वाल। मैं भी कैब में बैठा बैठा गूगल ही करता आ रहा था तहरी के बारे में। भाई बड़े ऋषिकेश में लास्ट प्लेन टाउन लग रहा है क्या?
हाँ
है।
हाँ।
ऑडियो है।
Get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
तो डोरी देगा कि यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू बी हियर। ओके बोल के आ जाएंगे।
नीचे तो बहुत नीचे है, पानी तो दिख गया मुझे। बहुत नीचे है
पानी, दिख गया है
बहुत नीचे है।
हाँ, तो अभी तो भाई 5 किलोमीटर ऐसी थोड़ी है।
Star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.
Hello and welcome people. Another day in the mountains. Today we are here for a quick stop. We are in Tiri. Yeah, that's the Tiri reservoir. That's the dam right there. Oh yeah. Things are cold. So cold here. And guess who I brought with me, Boppe. Say hello.
Hey guys.
Once again, my fuck, it's cold. We've got this thin ass sweatshirt. Yeah, if we can ride those boats, although they don't look like public boats. You can see the clouds there, thick as clouds. Water must be fucking freezing cold here. It's all the way down there. You can drive some of the way, I think. Yeah, so enjoy the view. We'll see you downstairs or by the water. Tools. कोई तो बता ही देगा।
इस जगह ऐसी है, आई डाउट वो मैं अकेला छोड़ेगी कोई तो आ ही जाए। यहाँ कहाँ भटक रहे हो तुम? यानी थोड़ा ना हाई सिक्योरिटी एरिया लग रहा है। मैं कैमरा ऊपर कर रहा हूँ, फट रही है मेरी की वैन। सीधा ले, बस सीधा। उसने कहा था सीधा ले ले, पता नहीं यहाँ से ले ले भाई, कोई तो रोक ही देगा तेने। They might shoot us. चलता है भाई, कोई तो बता ही देगा। So far so good. भाई राइट तो मत ही ले, लेफ्ट ही ले ले।
नहीं लग तो रहा है।
हाँ
नो पार्किंग नो एंट्री,
वो हर जगह लिखा है, पूरे रास्ते ये लिखा था। ले ली भाई इधर
इधर
क्या बोल रहा है? इधर नहीं जा सकते?
तो भी बोल दिया तो नहीं है। ये कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
शॉर्ट ले भाई, शॉर्ट ले उधर से, उधर का अच्छा है।
You can see the reservoir right there. You're not allowed to stop there, so we just drove by. And I think this way will take us back to New Tiri. That was the something. All right.
What to do when the truth hurts more than 1,000 lies? Let it through. Hope that soon everything will break to pieces. Wish it didn't go this way. And our love worked so that I could stand tall.
we just found a fucking crazy good spot. Check this shit out, dude. This is some Bora Bora level of green water right here. And we are gonna see if we can go through these staircase. You can see these kinda this going all the way there. It looks lot of algae has grown on this situation. Could be, yeah, could be very tricky, slippery. We don't wanna fall. Let's see if we can go down. I'm gonna show you the view, but of course, yeah. Check this out. So yeah, it's a ramp. Spot तो भाई ये है. Yeah, some algae you can see. It's kind of slippery here. Yeah, could, but you can see the stairs, some are submerged. Anyways, not, but so I'm guessing that usually the yeah, I don't think we should be traversable anymore. I mean, yeah, but we're pretty close. Check this. Fuck, man, I can't believe the color. Fuck, wow, look at that. Yeah, that's the bridge. You cross it to get to the other side. And yeah, somebody needs a picture taken, so we'll have to end it right here. Look at me, boy. You can see, Kude ke pahad are also present in Uttarakhand. Why do we have so much Kuda as a nation? Maybe we need to get rid of the Kuda people and Kuda things in this nation. Check that out, people. Ganesh Chowk in Terry. We're about to have some food here. Let's see. आगे क्या है भैया?
आगे मैंने थोड़ा
आगे है क्या इस रास्ते में?
कुछ नहीं है, क्या हो रहा है? जंगल ही जंगल है बस।
जंगल है, घुमाने की जगह है आगे?
हाँ, आगे बहुत जगह है।
चल चल।
चले जाओ, टाटा चली तक चले जाओ, अच्छी जगह है घूमने की।
कितनी आगे है?
कितनी आगे है?
थोड़ा ही आगे है, 1 आध किलोमीटर।
चल डांडा चली।
Hello. Shalom. Still in Tehri. Still by the lake, you can see. Tehri feels like a weird place. Feels like people here don't have purpose, man. Everything is moving slow. I see people on the roads. You can see the roads, maybe not. They're moving slow. They ain't got nowhere to be. So, the funny thing is, in Tehri I've seen there's almost no traffic jams. Almost in every other city. In the mountains you see Nainital, Manali, Shimla, blah blah, even Kasol. There's lot of traffic jams. But here I haven't seen any all day long, and it's Sunday. Maybe because the tourists aren't here, I guess. I'm not sure. We might be the only tourists. This guy and this guy might be the only tourists in Tehri. We have not seen a single car outside of the UK number. Yeah, we're just sitting here. See, you can see the blueness of the lake is changing as the sky is changing. We saw some snow-clad mountains. I think you saw them in the vlog. So yeah, let's see if we go by the lakeside, we'll put it in the video. If not, we'll see on the road. Look at it. The water is so still. It looks like it's almost frozen. So it looks like it's painted, the entire thing. The mountains, the view. There's some temple there, and that's a school right there, right by it. And that's the Tehri Reservoir. Crazy. All right. Good morning, beautiful people. We're still in Tehri. We're about to head back home. You know, as I said, it was a short trip. You can see the reservoir, and there's a small bridge there for people to walk on foot. Vehicles can't go across it. And yeah, on top of that, we might stop at Rishikesh, shoot something. So yeah, get ready for those kind of shots and tag along for the ride. Woohoo! It's a pretty good place, pretty chill. So we'll see you on the road. Yep.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back.
So here we are overlooking the whole Chamba village, and we are now finally gonna say bye to this valley and head to Rishikesh. Maybe make a stop over, explore the city and then back to Delhi. So now it's goodbye and hope to see you soon to the valley.
Frame into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.
Landslides. This is actually a pretty dangerous route if we look at it. We have seen multiple instances of landslides, roads being blocked by big boulders.
Yeah, I mean,
There always has been a propensity that yes, something
in
like
terms
that
of
may-
landslide frequency, I think Tiri is one of the top ones in Uttarakhand.
Yeah.
Do we remember this coming though while we were going up? This big of situation?
I remember applying some brakes and then there was boulders around, so maybe it was this only.
I mean, I think
And I don't
it
think
was the
that-
same way anyway.
Yeah, the place we are, I don't think there are two routes to anywhere, but so must have been there last night.
Because it's been sunny ever since, so I don't think there has been any
Other
new
instance
major
of-
developments on the landslide situation.
This is a beautiful little bridge connecting the very Gadwal Valley to the mainland Rishikesh.
Pretty chill trip, pretty chill town.
Yeah,
Not much
carefree.
crowd, not much traffic, laid back. Everything is laid back.
My final day, you can't take that away. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
People, say hello to River Ganga. We're in Rishikesh. That's Lakshman Jhula right there. Is that bridge? You can see some people rafting over there, or I mean, getting ready for rafts. You can see some boats there. But check this out, yeah. These people are just going in for their journey. Pretty cool. This is, of course, River Ganga. Earlier we were seeing Bhagirathi. And now we'll be seeing beautiful road shots. So, heading home now. We'll see you on next adventure, people. On another mountain, maybe on another beach. Right next to some crazy river, some crazy views. Until that. So until next time, right? See you next adventure, people. See you on the next one.
I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.